Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss simple past tense versus past perfect tense. What is the difference? Look at this sentence. I went to the store. The verb here we have used is went. She ate breakfast. Ate is a verb here. See here, I had eaten dinner before I went to the movies. I had eaten dinner before I went to the movies. We have used two verbs in this sentence, had eaten and went. So there are two actions in this sentence. One is had eaten the dinner and the other is went to the movies. Let us compare these two tenses, simple past tense and past perfect tense. In simple past tense, I went to the store. In past perfect tense, I had gone to the store before I met my friend. In simple past tense, the action completed. So we have used the verb went. Here in past perfect tense, one action completed before another action in the past. So there are two actions in past perfect tense. The first action is I had gone to the store. And the second action is I met my friend. These two actions are completed in the past, but one action is completed before another action. Before I met my friend, I had gone to the store. To indicate which action occurs first, we have used past perfect tense. In simple past tense, no connection to another action. There is no connection. Only one action, that action completed. But in past perfect tense, it shows a connection between two past actions. One is I had gone to the store and the other is I met my friend. See, simple past tense example, I ate breakfast. Here, I had eaten breakfast before I went to school. Here, I ate breakfast as completed. Here, two completed actions. We are talking about two completed actions. One is I had eaten the breakfast and the other is I went to the school. Which one occurs first? When we talk about two completed actions, we have to use past perfect tense for the first action and simple past tense for the second action. See, here we can see a timeline. Past tense, now it is present tense. I went to the store, past tense, it is finished. Here, action 1 and action 2. Action 1 is eaten breakfast. Action 2 is I went to the school. Here we have seen three scenarios with two tenses. I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. Action is completed. I had eaten breakfast before I left for school. In the second scenario, watching a movie. In past tense, we watched a movie last night. Here the action is completed. In past perfect, we had watched a movie before we went to bed. Two actions, went to bed and had watched a movie. This is first action, and after watching movie, we went to the bed. This is second action. And finishing a homework. This is the third scenario. In simple past tense, she finished her homework at 5 p.m. Completed action. Here, she had finished her homework before her parents arrived. Her parents arrived is the second action. Before they arrived, she had finished her homework is the first action. This comparison example shows how the simple past tense is used to describe a completed action in the past tense, while past perfect tense is used to describe an action that was completed before another action in the past. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.